Apple's MacBook Neo soars in early sales, but can it dethrone the M5 Air? Byte-Pulse nightly dives into the tech wars, from MacBook battles to AI's World Cup predictions. The MacBook Neo has shipped 1.1 million units in its debut quarter, outselling its M5 counterparts. Here is why that matters: Apple's market share hangs in the balance. Amazon is offering major discounts on AirPods Pro 3, Apple Pencil Pro, and the 32GB M5 MacBook Air. Here is why that matters: these deals won't last long. Google's Spark AI agent crafts hyper-personalized trip plans, impressing and unsettling users. Here is why that matters: your personal data is on the line. Maverick Games' clutch racing game aims to surpass Forza Horizon with customization and crime stories. Here is why that matters: the gaming landscape is about to shift. GoPro warns of potential insolvency due to soaring memory chip prices. Here is why that matters: the AI boom has real-world consequences. AI chatbots are predicting the 2026 World Cup champion, but can they be trusted? Here is why that matters: the future of sports forecasting is at stake. Google's Android 17 Beta 4.1 update brings key bug fixes and stability. Here is why that matters: a smoother user experience is just around the corner. iPhone shipments have risen 8% in Latin America, driven by premiumization. Here is why that matters: Apple's global strategy is paying off. If this helped you stay sharp, hit subscribe and the bell. Byte-Pulse nightly lands every night. Full stories on Byte-Pulse.net. Good night.